Thank you very much.
I'm honored. So honored. Thank you.
The honor is also ours. Kumusta ka?
I'm very good. I'm actually very good.
You're very good and you're looking good.
Ay, salamat.
Oo, di ba?
Same. Parang mutual admiration.
Hindi, okay lang yun. You've been in the business for quite a while. Ang bilang ni Bam ay, you've been doing movies for like 50 years. Tama?
Tama.
Pero may bilang ka ba ng mga pelikulang nagawa mo?
Naku, tinanong na ako niyan. Sabi ko, ang labo naman ng question na yan. Dahil nung araw, nung kapanahunan ko, sa auto na lang, sa van na lang ako nakatira. Gumagawa ako, naglalagari ako ng 5 hanggang 7 pelikula sa loob ng 2 buwan. So I must have made at least 300
Movies?
or more. Yes, movies. Hanggang inabot ko pa yung 7. I don't know if you're familiar with that.
Oo naman. Oo.
O isipin mo, sa isang buwan, 3 7. Di ba?
So, safe yung over 300 movies.
Yes, yes.
Today, we are celebrating. Maliit na portion lamang po ito. A small part of the body of work of the great Elizabeth Oropesa. Sabi ko nga, dapat itong henerasyon na ito ay ini-expose din sa mga kwento ng mga dakilang artista. Habang kaya pa natin magkwento, umpisahan natin. 1974, ginawa mo ang pinakamagandang hayop sa balat ng lupa. Directed by the great,
Yes,
you know,
Celso Ad Castillo.
the messiah of Philippine movies, Celso Ad Castillo. And you worked with Gloria Diaz, who won Miss Universe in 1969. This was 1974. Ano ang kwento? Ano ang mga naaalala mo?
Are you familiar with Sicogon Island?
Yes.
O, hindi pa uso nun yung lahat kayo pupunta sa isang lugar, hindi kayo pwede umalis kasi wala namang pandemic noon. Ginagawa na namin yon. Pero wala kaming tent, wala kaming aircon, wala lahat. Kanya-kanya yon. Anyway, kasama ko si Vic Vargas and Gloria Diaz, of course. Siya na yung naging bida. Actually, akin yun eh. Hindi
Sabel was supposed to be played by you.
Yes, yes.
Oo.
Eh siya yung dumating. Okay lang naman sa akin kasi Miss Universe natin yun eh. I'm so proud of her.
Okay.
While I was doing that, I noticed, mas malaki yung dede ko sa kanya. I really noticed that. So, malaking factor yun at that time eh. And I'm taller than her. So, sabi ko, mapapansin ako nito. Galingan ko. Tapos, hindi lang yun, bulol. Kasi hindi marunong magtagalog masyado yung tao. Kaya naungusan ko siya. Kahit siya yung lead, naungusan ko siya. Best friend ko yun. Pero, yun yung storya niyan.